Hey everyone, today I'm going to change out my tail lights on my JK. It's a 2010 JK. I can't believe I'm taking this long to get it done. The big problem I've had with these is when I'm backing up, the rear lights, when they come on, you can barely see anything. I've got a very long driveway to go down, and of course I've never hit the side of the house. So I ordered from High Beam Off-Road the Dune series tail lights with they're all LED. So I'm going to change this out, and I'm sure that when I put the Jeep in reverse, I'll be able to see everything behind me now. I'm so excited to do this.
Can you roll over? Can you roll over? Oh, yeah.
Well, as you can see, I over-ordered. I did not think they were sold in pairs, so I ordered 2 lights, but turns out they were sold in pairs, so I need to return the extra set. These 2 screws are already screwed into the light system, and they don't require attaching to the Jeep. These 2 are strong enough. Wow, these lights really look good. They give the Jeep a nice modern look. I can't wait to see what they look like tonight.
Give me a paw, Rex.
Oh, good boy, good boy. Oh yeah, what a big difference. This is nice. These LED lights are super bright. Oh yeah, these are so bright. LED is the way to go. And I told you earlier about the side of the house. Yeah, when I back up now, I can see that brick wall. Never could see it before. I was just guessing. See, I got a little tricky driveway, but look at the lighting now.